Hello, everybody. My name is Uwe Schmidt. I work for Mercer International, a Canadian company that creates bioproducts for a more sustainable world. I'm responsible for the digital workplace and collaboration. Before we deployed Google Workspace and with that Google Chat, every facility, every mill at Mercer, and we have mills in North America, in Europe, and Australia, has its own infrastructure, its own chat tool, its own mail tool. And at Mercer, we try to organize information around teams, topics, and projects and provide employees with the information they need for their work. We also want to reduce the flood of the email. Google Chat is an important tool that allows us to do this quickly and transparently. They use spaces for the project that we really build a community within the whole organization, and really everybody shares his best practice with Google Workspace in the chat. It's a funny place sometimes. They use for sure gifs and humor is a important part for me, especially for working culture. And for that, Spaces helps a lot. You never will be achieve that with email or other communication tools. And when you have more than 100 people in one chat and everybody helps each other, so that really drives our culture and brings us closer together as a company. And I'm absolutely happy for that function. The biggest benefit by using one harmonized chat tool is the cross-functional collaboration, or the collaboration between different facilities, different mills, and especially when, for example, you work in global project. The communication increase really fast and transparent. Everybody getting familiar when you have one tool, you speak from the same functionality, and that is a really big achievement for us as a company. Chat is more used than Gmail, than mail, and we reduced the flood by approximately 30%